Toyota is widely reported to be developing an all-new Fortuner and is expected to make its global debut early next year before going on sale in foreign markets. Considering its popularity in India, the full-size SUV could make its way locally in the near future, predictably towards the end of 2023 or early 2024. The exterior could gain a revised front fascia and rear end, taking an evolutionary approach to design, and it could be influenced by the latest crop of Toyota SUVs sold in the international markets. It is said to sit on a new ladder frame chassis, but the new Gen Innova Hycross will switch to the modular TNGA monocoque. Following the hybrid trend, the upcoming Fortuner will also get a new hybridized unit, as a 2.8-liter GD series diesel engine will work in tandem with an electric motor and a battery pack.